Hey there! It's your host from Natural Health, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Imagine shedding those extra pounds without starving yourself or chasing fad diets, just by eating real, wholesome foods straight from nature. We're not talking about quick fixes or restrictive plans that leave you feeling deprived. Instead, we're focusing on sustainable changes that nourish your body from the inside out. This journey is all about understanding how your body works and giving it what it truly needs. So, if you're tired of the endless cycle of dieting and ready to embrace a more natural, enjoyable approach to weight loss, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this exciting path together. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the most underrated heroes in the world of natural weight loss: fiber. Fiber-rich foods like vibrant vegetables and delicious fruits are nutritional champions. They are low in calories, high in volume, and packed with fiber. This means you can eat generous portions, feel satisfied, and maintain a calorie deficit. Fiber slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps energy levels consistent. It makes you feel full for hours, reducing the urge to overeat. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful vegetables at every meal. Prioritizing high-fiber foods aids weight loss and improves overall health. Next up on our journey to natural weight loss is another absolute powerhouse nutrient: protein. Foods like eggs, lentils, chickpeas, fatty fish like salmon, and lean chicken or turkey are fantastic sources. Protein helps you feel full and preserves muscle mass while losing fat. It's more satiating than carbs or fats, reducing overall calorie intake. Protein also has a higher thermic effect, burning more calories during digestion. Aim for a palm-sized portion of protein at every main meal. Consistency is key for muscle synthesis and satiety. By making protein a valued part of your meals, you support weight loss and build a stronger body. Now let's tackle a nutrient that has often been misunderstood and unfairly demonized in the past: fat. But I'm not talking about the unhealthy trans fats or excessive saturated fats found in processed junk food. I'm talking about healthy fats, the kind found in delicious whole foods like creamy avocados, crunchy nuts, nutritious seeds, and high-quality olive oil. These fats are not your enemy. In fact, they are absolutely your friends when it comes to natural weight loss and overall well-being. Healthy fats play a multitude of crucial roles in your body. They are essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are vital for everything from immune function to bone health. They are also fundamental for supporting your hormone production. Balanced hormones are key for regulating metabolism, mood, and energy levels, all of which can significantly impact your weight loss journey. One of the wonderful things about incorporating healthy fats into your meals is that they contribute significantly to satiety and can stop you from feeling deprived. Fats slow down stomach emptying, which means you feel fuller for longer after a meal that includes them. This can help prevent overeating and reduce the urge to snack on less healthy options. A meal that includes a good source of healthy fat often feels more indulgent and satisfying, making your healthy eating plan much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. You won't feel like you're on a diet. Moreover, healthy fats are fantastic for your skin, helping to keep it glowing, hydrated, and healthy. They are an integral part of cell membranes throughout your body, contributing to their structure and function. So while you're working on your internal health and weight, you'll also be supporting your external radiance. Think of it as beauty from the inside out, powered by nature's best ingredients. By incorporating sources of unsaturated fats, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated, you're providing your body with essential nutrients that support satiety, hormone balance, vitamin absorption, and overall health. Alright team, this next chapter is crucial. It's about breaking up with processed junk food. Sugary sodas, addictive chips, and white bread spike your blood sugar, leaving you tired and hungry. Whole foods provide fiber, protein, and nutrients, keeping you full and energized. Swap white bread for whole grains, quinoa, oats, or sweet potatoes. These complex carbs provide steady energy, avoiding peaks and crashes. Stable blood sugar means better mood and fewer cravings. Choose natural alternatives like fruit or dark chocolate for sweet cravings. Let's talk about something so simple, so fundamental, yet often overlooked in its profound impact on weight loss and overall health: hydration. Yes, I'm talking about good old water. Water isn't just for quenching thirst or staying alive. It's a veritable powerhouse when it comes to supporting your body's natural weight management processes. One of the key ways water supports weight loss is by boosting your metabolism. Even mild dehydration can cause your metabolism to slow down as your body tries to conserve resources. Staying properly hydrated ensures that your metabolic processes, including fat burning, are functioning optimally. Some studies even suggest that drinking water, particularly cold water, can temporarily increase your metabolic rate as your body expends energy to warm the water to body temperature. Another incredibly important role of water is helping you distinguish between true hunger and thirst. The signals for hunger and thirst are controlled by the same part of the brain, the hypothalamus, and sometimes these signals can get mixed up. You might think you're hungry and reach for a snack when in reality, your body is just thirsty. By making sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, you can often curb those false hunger pangs and reduce unnecessary calorie intake. Try drinking a glass of water and waiting 15 to 20 minutes before deciding if you're truly hungry. So, how much water should you be aiming for? A general guideline that works well for many people is to drink around 2 to 3 liters of water per day. This is roughly equivalent to about 8 to 12 8-ounce glasses. However, your individual needs might vary depending on factors like your activity level, the climate you live in, and your overall health. Beyond just plain water, there are other healthy ways to stay hydrated and even give your fat-burning efforts a little extra nudge. Green tea is a fantastic option. It's packed with antioxidants, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which has been shown in some studies to help boost metabolism and promote fat oxidation. Sipping on a cup or two of unsweetened green tea during the day can be a refreshing and beneficial addition to your hydration routine. Now that we've covered what to eat, let's delve into when and how often to eat. Consistent meal timing can keep your metabolism humming and support weight loss. Eating 3 balanced meals a day with healthy snacks helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Don't skip breakfast. It sets the tone for your energy and food choices. A good breakfast could be oatmeal with berries or whole grain toast with avocado and eggs. For snacks, choose nutrient-rich options like nuts, yogurt, or fruit. We've spent a lot of time talking about the incredible power of natural foods for weight loss, and rightly so, as nutrition is a cornerstone. However, to truly supercharge your results and achieve holistic well-being, we need to look beyond just what's on your plate. It's essential to incorporate regular physical activity, prioritize quality sleep, and manage stress effectively. These 3 pillars work synergistically with a healthy diet to optimize your body's ability to lose weight naturally and keep it off. Let's start with movement. Now, when I say move your body, I don't want you to immediately think you need to sign up for an expensive gym membership or commit to grueling hour-long workouts every single day if that's not your thing. While those can be great for some, the key is finding enjoyable and sustainable ways to be active. Even just 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity, like brisk walking, 5 days a week can make a significant difference. It burns calories, improves cardiovascular health, boosts your mood, and helps build or maintain lean muscle mass. Consider activities you genuinely enjoy. Maybe it's dancing in your living room, going for a bike ride, practicing yoga, which is also fantastic for flexibility and stress reduction, or doing some simple body weight exercises at home like squats, lunges, and push-ups. The best exercise is the one you'll actually do consistently. Regular movement not only aids in creating a calorie deficit for weight loss, but also improves insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for metabolic health and preventing fat storage. Next up is sleep, the unsung hero of recovery and hormonal balance. Aim for a solid 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. During sleep, your body repairs tissues, consolidates memories, and very importantly for weight management, regulates crucial hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases when you're sleep deprived, making you feel hungrier. Leptin, the satiety hormone, decreases, meaning you feel less full after eating. So there you have it, your comprehensive roadmap to losing weight naturally with the power of real, whole foods and supportive lifestyle habits. We've covered a lot, from the importance of fiber and protein to the benefits of healthy fats, hydration, meal timing, movement, sleep, and stress management. Remember, this isn't about restrictive dieting, quick fixes, or any unsustainable gimmicks. It's about nourishing your body, understanding its needs, and making consistent, positive choices that lead to real, lasting results and a profound sense of well-being. If you're ready to transform your health and embark on this empowering journey, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.